Hi riders! Welcome back to SG Riders, your trusted channel for the latest bike reviews and updates. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda CBR RR, a superbike that pushes the limits of speed, design, and technology. The CBR lineup has always been iconic, and this latest RR takes performance to the next level. Design aggression redefined. The 2026 Honda CBR RR looks every bit like a track-ready beast. With its sharp aerodynamic fairings, winglets for added downforce, and aggressive LED headlamps, it's clear Honda has built this bike for both speed and style. The sculpted fuel tank and sleek tail section give it a pure racing vibe, while the new color schemes highlight its sporty DNA. Engine and performance, built for the track. At the heart of the CBR RR is a 999 cubic centimeters inline-four engine, tuned with MotoGP-inspired technology. It produces blistering power well above 215 horsepower, giving riders adrenaline-pumping acceleration. Paired with a quick shifter and slipper clutch, this bike delivers seamless gear changes and track-ready performance for riders who demand nothing less than the best. Technology, smarter and faster. Honda has equipped the 2026 CBR RR with cutting-edge electronics. A 6-axis IMU powers advanced traction control, cornering ABS, launch control, and wheelie management. The TFT display is fully customizable, allowing riders to adjust riding modes, suspension settings, and power delivery. Every feature is designed to give maximum control at insane speeds. Handling and suspension precision at every corner. The aluminum twin-spar frame keeps the bike lightweight yet incredibly strong. Add in fully adjustable Öhlins electronic suspension and a lightweight swing arm, and the CBR RR offers razor-sharp handling. Whether you're hitting corners on the track or carving through mountain roads, this bike responds with unmatched precision. Braking ultimate confidence. Braking is handled by dual Brembo Stylema front discs with ABS, providing tremendous stopping power. Combined with lightweight wheels and sticky track-focused tires, the CBR RR ensures confidence even under heavy braking at high speeds. Final verdict, SG Riders take. The 2026 Honda CBR RR is a true superbike masterpiece. Aggressive in design, powerful in performance, and loaded with the latest technology. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of speed and precision. That's it for today's review, riders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SG Riders for more updates on the latest bikes. Until next time, ride safe, ride fast, and ride with passion.